Hello guys, welcome to 360 Space. If today is your first time of watching my videos or you've not subscribed to my channel, I would advise you do that now. Thank you. So today I will be teaching us on how to buy USDT or any cryptocurrency you want to buy on Binance peer-to-peer system. So how do we get Binance peer-to-peer? How do we buy on Binance peer-to-peer rather? So make sure your Binance account is verified. That is one. Two, make sure you have money on your account also. Then you come to more and search for P2p. Search for P2p. Go up and you'll see P2p here. You click on P2p. After clicking on P2p, you select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. If you want to buy USDT, if you want to buy BTC, if you want to buy BUSDT, if you want to buy BNB, if you want to buy ETH, and any of the currencies you want to buy. So let's start with USDT. Let's say we want to buy $199 worth of USDT. So how do we get this? You click on buy and you wait for it to load. Once it loads, you come to enter amount and type the amount here. Or let's try with another one. Let's try with this one. Okay, art has been updated. So you refresh. Okay, so let's say we want to buy for $306, the first one. This is the amount. You type the amount there, the last amount, and make sure you type the correct amount, because once you make payments, Binance would have to notify the seller to make sure the amount you paid was correct before they release the coin to you. So how do we get this? We just type the amount 176,825. I'm trying to make this lesson shorter. So you click on buy USDT. Click on buy USDT. Art has been updated. Please refresh the ads list. Okay, so let's go back. Let's refresh the ads list. Okay, let's start with one of this. Let's start with this first one. The price 142,327. Buy USDT. So after you click on buy USDT, you allow it to load to a payment page where you confirm the order. So this is the order. The order has been created and your time is also running. So you're supposed to buy $246 worth of USDT for 142,000 naira. Okay, you go to payment page and you would see the seller's account number and name. Copy the account number and go to your app or any way you want to pay or make the payment, and make sure you keep the receipt of the payment for reference. So after making the payment, you click on transferred, notify the seller. Please, after clicking on transferred, don't exit this page. Stay back and ensure that the seller releases your coin, because after this time counts and the seller does not release your coin, all you have to do, you notify Binance support and the coin will be released to you automatically. So this is visually how to buy any coin, USDT, BNB, Bitcoin, and any of the cryptocurrencies you want to get on Binance. So what I'll just do is I'll have to answer this because this was just for lessons. And please endeavor to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get my new videos when they're posted.